I've recently been traveling a lot and enjoying different places and seeing family and friends, which has been a lot of fun, but I find it slightly ironic because I also started Donald Miller's new book, Grow Your Small Business. And so far it's fantastic. I haven't gotten very far, but I will tell you a few things that I've taken from it already. Donald Miller, in the first introduction of his book, starts explaining that your business should run like an airplane. So for instance, leadership's the cockpit, marketing's the engine, and your products are your wing. Problems can arise when you start to create your airplane and you end up putting way too much focus on the leadership or not enough focus on your products, and you have a really big party area, but you don't actually have anywhere for your leadership to thrive. So book is fantastic so far, and one of the things I wanted to add to it is that you also want to consider how and when you are bringing on those clients. How are they coming onto your airplane? How are you bringing them into your area, right? Like, are you meeting them where they're at, or are you having to have them come to you? If you're not coming to them, maybe you need to start thinking about how can I get to them? Using social media is a really great way of doing this because they're already on the platform. All you have to do is go onto that platform where they actually are and meet them and greet them there. Have you read Donald Miller's new book, or do you plan to? Let us know in the comments.